Let's take a tour of the main window in Stratum.Viewer, which is organized into 3 areas. This example gives you a general idea of what you'll see when you open Viewer. First, there's the area where data, main application windows, and the home page will display. The home page is the content that displays by default when you first log on. In this example, we're using the Stratum homepage as our home page. The Stratum homepage has links to Viewer videos and other resources. The second area is the left menu panel. It's made up of groups with links that open application windows and views of your data. The Admin Utilities group contains links to application windows. It's available to advanced users and administrators. Contents vary depending on your level of access in Viewer. Groups can be expanded and collapsed, as I'm doing now. The other groups are view groups. They include links to views, which is the format in which data displays in Viewer. This image tells you the view is globally available to all users with access to this group. Global views can only be created by administrators. This image tells you the view is a shared view, also available to all users with access to this group. This type of view can be set up and maintained by any type of user. And this image tells you the view is one of your personal views. Personal views are available only to the view owner via one of their view groups. Groups may also contain user links, which, as the name implies, are links that users can set up to access other objects such as files or websites. Let's open the Sales versus Returns view so you can see how the main window refreshes to display its data. Now, let's tour the third area of the main window, the top panel's buttons and menus for controlling general application functionality. Above the left panel is the toggle to hide or display the panel. I'll use the toggle now to redisplay the currently hidden left panel. Next is the text that shows the name of the actively signed on user. When you need to sign off from Viewer, pass your mouse cursor over your name to display a sign-off option. Then there's the Home button, which I'll use now to redisplay the homepage view that I discussed at the start of the tour. And finally, there's a Settings button that has a menu from which you can access your user options. This is where you can customize viewer behavior, such as how many rows and columns display in each page of your views. Other options on Settings menu give you access to viewer help resources, viewer videos, and information about your level of access in Viewer and what version of Viewer you're using. This concludes our tour of the main window in Stratum.Viewer.